Welcome back to Paradise, where today we find ourselves in the Esperanza barrio on Vieques, Puerto Rico. Today's tour is a 3-bed, 2-bath, proven rental property, so let's go check it out. Here we are at Perla del Mar, which is on Calle Girasoles in the Esperanza neighborhood of Vieques. La Perla del Mar, the Pearl of the Sea. Got a concrete structure here. There's a pathway on the left. We'll get back there in a second, but it's a concrete structure. This has been rehabbed. It's got some new windows, stuff like that. As we enter straight in here on the front door, brings us right into the living room and the kitchen area. Good size, well finished. You can see this is not the way this house was built. This has had some rehab work done on it. It looks great. It's got all tiled throughout the floor, throughout the whole property. You've got new windows, all glass windows, louvered, so that when they're closed, they hold in the air conditioning. And then what's nice is you can let in some natural light. So it's all well done. We're currently set up for a long-term or for a short-term rental for Airbnb. We've got a TV set up here. Obviously, folks want to be entertained. They've got a kitchen so they can have some breakfast and some meals here. Obviously, not going to cook Thanksgiving dinner, but there's certainly enough here for making breakfast or lunch or dinner, occasional dinner. Got the stools there on kind of little island spit. Concrete countertops, all finished off nicely. Very solid, almost somewhat indestructible for a rental property. See, we've got a smaller size fridge. There's no need for a large one. But it's very solid. This is perfect sort of material you want for a rental property. Got a sink there, some cabinets. This one provides coffee maker, microwave, electric stove, little cooktop there. You can see a little detail in the windows as well. So it's very solid, the sort of kitchen that one would need for a short-term rental. It would also serve as a long-term rental or primary residence as well, and this property certainly is move-in ready for all three of those. Here we have the first bedroom, which is off of the living room. You can see the mini-split AC. There are air conditioners in every single bedroom as well as the living room. Again, windows here you have that face the north and the east. Has the shades there for some privacy. The front window does face onto the street, and the other window there towards the neighbor. You can see we've got closet. This one is more than enough for rental property. Would actually serve well for a full-time residence as well. Probably finish it off a little bit more, but for now this works. Folks leave their luggage in there and hang up some clothes as they stay for the week. That's more than enough room for them. You can see again concrete. Everything's concrete. Walls, the ceiling. As we head down the hallway here, there's the back door out there. There's a hallway closet here, currently used to store like games and suntan lotion and stuff like that. Immediately on the right here, we have the first bathroom. It's the only bathroom on the inside. I'll explain how the others are once we get to them. But this is a full bath. Again, you see all the new tile work done, all refurbished. You've got a full bath here, nice shower. You've got the safety bars there, great tile work both on the walls and on the floor. And again, new windows. This house is in great shape, really is move-in ready. Ready to be used as a short-term rental. It's got revenue right now about $39,000 a year, so it has a great rental history. Could be used as a long-term rental. There's certainly need for that on Vieques, as well as a primary residence. So this is set up for all three occasions. This is the second bedroom. To me, this is the master bedroom because it's the largest. The primary bedroom, because it's the largest, has a couple of windows here out to the backyard. I believe this is more like a queen-size bed, but could easily fit a king in here. You have room right now for a couple of sitting chairs. There's even room for like a little desk area. So this is a good-sized room that could be utilized for however you want to, however you intend to use the property. There's also an added bonus to this room, and we'll see here in a second. There's a second of the sitting chairs and a little side table, and that it has the washer and dryer here. this serves for the whole house. So you've got room there. And on the left there's an owner's closet. This is often common for a lot of these properties that are owned by folks that want to come and stay here for 2 or 3 weeks at a time, rent it out the rest of the time they're not here. So there's a closet, good opportunity to store some of your personal items. As a primary residence, that would obviously serve as a great closet for those using the primary bedroom. And then across the hall here, we have the third of the 3 bedrooms, a little smaller than the others, but still usable. Its own mini split air conditioner and windows. Decent size. This could be an office, could be a third bedroom. It's all in good shape. You notice the doors are in good shape. The ceilings, the walls, everything in this property is move-in ready. I can't say that enough about this property. Take a quick look back down the hallway, back towards the living room and the front door. And then here we head out. This is an added bonus right now. We've got a finished area in the backyard, both in the flooring as well as a built-in bar for entertaining. So this is a great entertainment space back here. And on top of that, it has some great foliage, give you a little buffer between you and the neighbors. Everybody loves to have trees around them, lowers our blood pressure. And these back here you can see are, I'm guessing they're banana. I'm 20 years in Vieques, I still can't tell the difference by looking at these leaves, whether they're bananas or plantains, until there's actually fruit on them, but I'm thinking these are bananas. So there's plenty there to give you a good supply of bananas. There's also some other trees in the backyard, an avocado tree right there. Avocado season for us is in September. And then right there is some mango trees. You can start to see the blooms there. For us, mango season tends to be more in July. So these trees will have some mangoes, and they have some fresh picking for fruits, which is always nice to have in your backyard. There's a view back over there's the built-in bar. Those windows right there to that primary bedroom. And over here, as I mentioned, talking about the bathrooms, there's kind of a half bath here and a shower around the corner. This is ideal. If you have 6 or 7 people staying in this house as a rental, obviously one bedroom is just not going to cut it, or excuse me, one bathroom is not going to cut it. So here you have a half bath with a sink and a toilet. This is also good if you have folks that are hanging out in the backyard. Good access there. So baños in the backyard. And I like the railing. I like the metal railing. This is a good area, is kind of defined back here for entertaining. It's all concrete, which is nice. And obviously everyone doesn't have to go trudging through the property or through the middle of the house. They can come around here on the side to get in and out to the backyard. This is the gate we saw in the beginning of the video. And this here is an outdoor shower. So this completes the 2 full baths in the house. And this is perfect for coming back from the beach, coming back from a run. Just come here, wash the sand off. You're not tracking it through the house. So, and that's one of the nice things living in the tropics. I mean, being able to use hammocks here and outdoor showers are just absolutely fabulous. So this is gate takes us back to the front yard on Calle Girasoles. And there's your air conditioner condensers on the outside. So if you want to tour this property or have any information or have any questions about it, contact us. I'm Bob, ParaisoRealtyPR.com. From the website, gives you information on how to check us out. And this again is Perla del Mar. And thanks for taking another tour.